What does it take to transform a community? For Emma, an aspiring entrepreneur nestled in the core of a bustling city, it took vision, perseverance, and a deep sense of commitment to community service. Her quest to revolutionize how local businesses interacted with their community would prove to be a journey marked by trials and triumphs. Emma's journey sprouted from a single seed, a worthy goal. She envisioned a digital platform that would serve as a bridge between local businesses and the community, promoting the welfare of both. With careful precision, she etched out her goal, considering its potential scale and impact. Small-scale experiments such as community surveys and pilot programs with local vendors served as her compass, guiding her towards refining her approach. Emma knew the success of her project depended on community collaboration. She engaged local business owners, community leaders, and residents, building a network of supporters. Their feedback was crucial in shaping the platform to meet communal needs while also providing a valuable service to local businesses. Balancing her entrepreneurial aspirations with community impact, Emma found a sense of personal fulfillment. Her platform not only boosted local commerce, but also supported community initiatives, creating a symbiotic relationship between personal success and community well-being. Upon the project's completion, Emma's journey had done more than just launch a successful business. It had fortified the bonds within her community, setting a precedent for future community-focused projects. Her journey serves as a testament to the harmony that can exist between individual ambition and collective welfare. So, what does it take to transform a community? It takes a vision, a worthy goal, collaboration, and a balance between personal ambition and community welfare. It takes an Emma. So here's a question to ponder. If there's a straightforward guide to help you make a big change in your life and others, wouldn't you be curious to know what it is? Dive deeper into the concepts of actionable strategies, community collaboration, personal satisfaction, and community impact in our review of how to begin.